Now you're on.
This was my right foot inside my shoe cramping.
Okay.
And my left foot is all turned out like this. I can't walk without this laser beam to follow.
So we got the laser here to help her walk.
This is before seeing Aaron.
So it's hard for her to begin walking, but once she uses the laser, she can get going. So here's Judith walking back to my room. She has pretty easy now walking, but the toes turned out.
This foot, cramping in this foot.
She's got cramping in
Right foot
her right foot right now. She's coming into the room. Oh, she froze.
There's a door there.
So it's hard for her to get through a doorway. But then she can start going. Yeah, I turned things around a little bit. Sorry, it looks a little different. So now it's really turned out. So it gets stuck, turned out. Her left leg, foot turned out, left foot. Now she can get through. Come on through. Here's a chair. If you want to just get on the table. Okay, that's good enough.